Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about how to resolve element click intercepted exception. So let's get started. First, we are going to reproduce the exception element click intercepted. So to reproduce the element click intercepted exception, we have a script on the screen which is of a Selenium. So what it does is it would navigate to the google.com and then it types the channel name web text. As soon as we type the channel name web text, we can see the auto suggestions that's been available, and then the script tries to click on the Google search button, which is actually behind these auto suggestions. So it's here, Google search button, but it's been overlapped by auto suggestions. So that is the reason we are going to get the click intercepted exception. So let me run the script to show you the same. I'm running the script. And you can see we have navigated to the google.com and it has entered web text. And then there is an exception here. You can see the click intercepted exception. It's because we have tried to click on an element which is overlapped by the other element. So how to resolve this? So to resolve this issue, the first try we are going to do is wait till the element is clickable. So for that we have explicit wait option in the Selenium. So this is how the code looks like. So WebDriverWait. So I'm going to place this code in the description. Please have a look. And we need to pass the driver and timeout. And then we should tell that driver should wait till the element is clickable. So this is the option. You can see element to be clickable. So we need to pass the element here. So the element is that search button, Google search button. Yes, it's completed. Let me launch. So in some cases it may work, and in some cases the solution may not work. So here you can see it's launched and we have the exception. So still the solution is not resolved. If this explicit wait is not solving your click intercepted exception problem, then we are going to try the second method, that is using the JavaScript executor. So when we perform a click operation using the JavaScript executor, rather than trying to, so what the JavaScript executor does is it doesn't try to perform the operation on the UI level, but it tries to perform the operation at the DOM level. So it's going to find the element in the DOM and it's going to click on that element. So it doesn't matter whether an element is overlapped by the other element on the UI. So I'm going to delete this wait and add the code for JavaScript executor. So you can see this is the code for JavaScript executor. So first initializing JavaScript executor and then passing the parameters. So we are telling them, telling the JavaScript executor to perform click and passing the locator on which the click has to be performed. So since we have already performing click in this step, I'm removing the last step, which is also a click. So let's run this now. You can see now the application Google is launched and it has entered web text, and you can see it has clicked on the Google search button, and that is the reason the results are displayed. So you can see the issue is resolved, and you can try this and let me know in the comment section if it really helped. And one more point I would like to add is if you are getting this element click intercept exception too many times, that is you have resolved for one element, and after performing action on two more elements, again you are facing on the other element, and you fixed that, and again you are facing the same problem for the other element, then you should check the compatibility. Then in that case, the browser version you are using may not be compatible with the driver you are using. So for example, if you're using maybe Chrome version of 90, and if you are using a Chrome driver which is of lower version like 88, they may not be compatible, and you'll have these kind of issues. So please watch for that as well. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe for more videos.